In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted tasks in Microsoft Planner, a complete 2025 guide. Losing tasks can be stressful, especially when there's no built-in recovery option from Microsoft, but don't worry. Here's what you can do. First, log into your Microsoft 365 account and open Planner. When you delete a task, it disappears instantly. However, right after deleting, you'll briefly see an undo button. Click it quickly to restore your task. If that option's gone, you'll need to recreate the task manually. It's not perfect, but it brings back the essential details. Another smart move is using a third-party tool like Fluent Pro, which can back up and restore your planner data. It might cost a bit, but it's a great safeguard against accidental deletions. Lastly, always back up or archive your plans regularly. That way, you'll never lose important information again. And that's how you deal with deleted tasks in Microsoft Planner. Stay organized, stay proactive, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Microsoft tips.